Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular Canon cameras, the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. We will be evaluating these products in different categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's start with the price. The Canon EOS M200 is priced at $649, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit comes at a price of $999. Both cameras offer excellent features, but there is a significant price difference between them. When it comes to image quality, both cameras deliver outstanding results. The Canon EOS M200 features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, providing high-resolution images. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit boasts a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, ensuring exceptional image clarity. Achieving sharp focus is crucial, and both cameras excel in this area. The Canon EOS M200 incorporates fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, ensuring your subject remains in focus even during rapid movements. Similarly, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit features dual-pixel CMOS AFE with 651 AF zones, providing reliable autofocus performance. If you are into videography, both cameras offer amazing video capabilities. The Canon EOS M200 supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie recording, making it perfect for capturing high-resolution footage. Similarly, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit allows you to shoot 4K uncropped movies with dual-pixel CMOS AFE and even offers full HD high-frame rate movie recording. And that wraps up our comparison of these two Canon cameras. Both the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit have their unique strengths and cater to different needs. We hope this video helped you gain insights into these products. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.